but we're going to ignore that for now. So moving on, we do have some content that we still want to add to our footer. So I'll switch back to my index file. And here in the footer, I'm just going to add a p element. And I'm going to populate that p element with a simple copyright statement. Write that and copy 2017 and my name. And this and copy is a special symbol that will produce the copyright sign. I do want to position that text in the center of the page. So for elements, footer elements, we'll align text align center. And we'll go back to our browser and refresh to preview. There we have our copyright information there at the bottom of the page. And the last thing we need to do is add some elements to our navigation. So here in our nav, I'm going to open that up and create an unordered list and close that unordered list. And inside there, like I did before, I will create an li, an a with an href, with a null link, and I will close that a and close that li. Duplicate 3 times, and inside the links, we'll name these 1, 2, 3. And save those changes and go back to our browser to preview. You see we now have some links up here. That doesn't really look like a navigation menu, so we'll go back to our styles, and here at the top above the hero section we'll add styles for the top nav, and specifically we want to target the UL itself. We will tell this to display inline block. And for the top nav, that has a child that's a UL, that has a child that's a list item, or an LI, we will add some padding left equal to 25 pixels. One other thing I forgot to do, I'd like to set the list style to none to remove those the bullet characters. So there, I should be good there. I'm going to go back and refresh my page. And I still have those stacked up, but it looks like I put my display inline block in the wrong location. So I'm going to delete that and move it back down to the LI level. And save those changes and refresh my page. And now I have a simple menu. All right, one last change I'd like to make. I'm going to go with a dark theme. I think that might look better, or at least I'm going to take a look at it. So I'll set the background color of the body element to be 000, which is black, and the color of the text to be FFF, which is white. And I'll save those changes and come back and refresh. And there, we now have a dark themed page. Just looking at this a little bit, it seems to me like we need to add a little bit of vertical spacing in here. So for my section, I'm going to add some margin, and we'll just make this equal to 25 pixels and 0. And save that and refresh. That space things out a little bit more. And it looks like we also want to add some padding internal to this. So we'll set the padding to 25 pixels top and bottom as well. There, now we've spaced some things out a little bit, and we're in fairly good shape. All right, I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and good luck working through these examples.